Hi guys, Mary here, and today we're going to be solving question number 7 on the midterm, which asks about the fifth degree Taylor polynomial about x equals 0 for sine of x, and we want to approximate sine of 1. So in order to do that, we have to write out the Taylor polynomial for sine of x. And here, we know that sine of x is equal to x minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x to the 5th over 5 factorial. And there's really no need to write further than that because it's only asking for the 5th degree. So this right here is your 5th degree. And they're asking us for sine of 1. So what we're going to do is plug in sine of 1 is equal to 1 cubed over 3 factorial plus 1 to the 5th over 5 factorial. And simplified, that is simply sine of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 120. And on the test, that was option number E, and E is your correct answer. Okay, so now we're going to do the corrected problem, which is the 6th degree Taylor polynomial for x of 0 at cos of x. So we want to write out the Taylor polynomial for cos of x, which is equal to 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the 4th over 4 factorial minus x to the 6th over 6 factorial. And like said before, we don't really need to go further than that because it is asking for the 6th degree, which is our 6th degree right here. And so now we want to continue this, and we want to find cos of 1. So simply we just plug in 1 into the x, and we get is equal to 1 minus 1 squared over 2 factorial plus 1/4 over 4 factorial minus 1/6 over 6 factorial and we get that our final answer is cos of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1/2 plus 1 over 24 minus 1 over 720.